Hey, so in this video I want to talk about, are you a Disney fantasist or an alpha realist? If you're not sure what I'm talking about with those terms, I'll explain more about that at the end of this email. But first, I'll go over an email from a guy who wrote to me about a problem he's having with, surprise, surprise, another girl. So he kicks off, "Hey Chris, so I've been hooking up with this girl for a couple of weeks now and things are great and the chemistry is amazing. Or at least I thought it was great, but her phone keeps blowing up and she's always hiding her phone." That's the first girl. The second girl I've been seeing casually is also exactly the same. Well, hats off to you for dating a couple of women. You don't want to have one-itis. You can't afford to have one-itis nowadays. Just doesn't work anymore. Never worked before, but now it's, just don't do it. Her phone is blowing up all the time too, from different guys, I assume. She keeps putting her phone on silent. Should I say something to these girls like, how can you expect me to be serious with you if you are talking to other guys? Do you think these girls are all talking to other girls? I mean, they could be busy. I mean, is every girl like this? What would you do? Okay, so let's live in a Disney fantasy world where we imagine that women don't talk to other men and that you are the only man that she is talking to. Now, I don't care how loyal a girl thinks she is or says she is or wants to be. She's going to talk to other guys. And that's just the way it is. And you're a fantasist, right? You're living in a Disney fantasy world if you think that she's not going to talk to other guys. If you want to be in a relationship with a girl where she doesn't talk to other men, where she is only fixated on you and she doesn't really have any interaction with you, get in a time machine and go back to the 1950s. And you might be able to do it then. You might have to go a little bit further back, maybe to the 1920s. But nowadays, forget it. Okay, so that's the first thing I'd say. Second thing I'd say is, look, yeah, she's talking to other guys, but that doesn't mean anything. It's not important. She can talk to other men all day, all night. As you know, because you're following this channel, responsive men turn women off. It doesn't matter if she's talking to other guys. You see a guy blow up her phone, what does that tell you? It tells you that the guy is responsive and he's doing everything wrong. If you're not doing that, you stand out from all those other guys, the 99% of beta males out there. So don't worry if her phone is being blown up. She doesn't want those guys. She wants the guy who isn't blowing her phone up, the guy who is acting like an alpha. Now, keep it real. Be an alpha male, understand the situation for what it is. Don't live in a fantasy world. At the same time, understand that you are the prize, not these other guys. If a guy's blowing up a phone, he's got too much time in his hands, he's telling her that, he's sub-communicating through the way he interacts with her that he is desperate and thirsty and hungry. You must be the exception. If you want to know more about attraction, building, creating, and maintaining attraction, don't forget to check out my book, Atomic Attraction. You can pick up your copy today by clicking on the link below. Talk soon.